This video is talking about how to get started using Unreal Engine for CIS 125G. In your Moodle shelf for this class, you should have a link that says Download Unreal Engine. And you might have to click on the link, and it'll take you to this webpage. And there is a video here that talks about how to install it, so I won't create a video that goes through that. But you could download the launcher and go through these steps to install it. You will have to create an account with Epic Games to be able to download and install Unreal Engine. Now, Unreal Engine is free to use for this class and for developing games and everything. But if you start making money with it, there will be some charges, and I do suggest you be careful about using resources that are available on the internet for making games or anything, because there could be liability and stuff with that. But for this class, what we're going to be doing, everything should be free and you should not have any problems with it. Once you get it downloaded and installed, you're going to come in and need to sign into your account. And so I used Google to do it, so I'm going to continue, and I'll do that where I sign in. I use my school email address. You could use whichever one you prefer. And I did the majority of the class still using 5.3.2 as the Unreal Engine, and just recently my screen changed to 5.4. So when I figure out what is actually installed in the classrooms and stuff, we'll determine what we're going to be doing and if we need to upgrade or not. But for right now, I'm going to be showing you this in 5.3.2. If there's major changes, then that's just something that is a joy of living in this day and age where there's usually a lot of software updates on a regular basis. So we'll take it as we go and see how we get along and if we need to make any modifications for the things that we'll be doing. So this is the Unreal Engine, Epic Games, and there's a couple things I want to show you before we even get to Unreal Engine, so just in Epic Games. There's a couple things that is very nice about it. One is if we come over here to the marketplace, and the marketplace is just like what it sounds like, right? Place where you could buy stuff. And the thing is, what's here is there's a lot of different assets. And so assets are the objects and stuff that you put inside your games or whatever project you're working on. And so you can see there's a ton here that you could look through, and a lot of it has a lot of price. And believe me, I'm all about the free. So if you click, there's actually a tab here that is specifically for free. And what's really nice is there's, so if we just click on free, you'll see now we have these options of different things that we can add to our cart and get that are completely free that we can use in our games and our stuff. There's also one that says free for the month. And what's cool about this is every month they have these objects that are in here that you can see, this is normally $64.99, and right now it's free. It's 100% off. And so we can click this and add it to our cart, go look at our cart, and check out. And you'll see that it looks like it's charging us $64.99, but then the sale price takes that price off, so I can place the order. And now that is in my cart and I own it. So, and you can see now it says owned, right? So this one hasn't updated yet, and so you could go through, and so I suggest every month you go and look and see what new things are out here for you that you could be using. So the other thing is you could go to library, and what this is going to show you is what you have in your system, and you can see I don't have anything at the moment, so that's why it's empty. And I can come over to Unreal Engine and I could go to library, and this library up here will show you these are the engines that you have installed. And so I have the 5.3.2 installed, the different projects, and the vaults, so different things that I have available to me. So that's just the introduction. I'm trying to keep these about 5 minutes. So the next video I have will be getting into launching the Unreal Engine.